Bettis. Level Days. And Kaku. Man. Not bad. Like, not bad. Like, it ain't really what we want. It ain't really what we want, but it's like, you feel like it ain't. Nah. We can't settle for less. Striker. Spain. Hold on. Lamine Yamal. Brando Morientos. Who is Human? Not really what we want, Chop. Not really what we want. That's not really what we're looking for, Chop. That's not exactly what we're looking for. Okay? Come on, FIFA. Try again. Come on, FIFA. Purple. I never seen this color. Cam. France. I just pulled this girl, bro. I just pulled her. Bro, no, chat, no, bro. No, chat, this is not what we're looking for, bro. This is not what we're looking for, chat. Come on, chat, lock in, dude. Lock in, bro. Come on, bro. No. Come on, lock in, bro. Left back. Portugal. Ronaldo? Francisco Otto. Casey, though. Damn! She fast as hell. Chad, this is Bobby's sister? 99 pace is crazy. I ain't gonna lie, this card might be actually good. Chad, is this card good? How much she going for? Damn, she going for like 50K. Not bad. Not bad. Come on, bro. Come on, Chad. Everybody spam green for good luck. Everybody spam green for good luck. Everybody spam green for good luck. We need to pull on Mbappe, Lamine Yamal, or whatchamacallit. Spam green for good luck. Come on. La Liga. Atletico Madrid. Vivian. Onana. I thought he was on Man United.